Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Fraud detection in banking data by machine learning techniques. Next, abstract. Credit card transaction fraud cost billions of dollars to card issues every year. A well-developed fraud detection system with a state-of-the-art fraud detection model is recorded in essential to reducing fraud losses. Fraudulent credit card transaction cost firms and consumers large financial losses every year, and fraudsters continuously attempt to find new technologies and methods for committing fraudulent transactions. The detection of fraudulent transactions has become a significant factor efficienting the greater utilization of electronic payment. The main contribution of our work is the development of a fraud detection system that employs a machine learning architecture together with an advanced feature engineering process. To demonstrate the effectiveness of our proposed system for detecting fraud in credit card transactions, experiments were performed using real-world public credit card transaction data sets consisting of a fraudulent transaction and legitimate ones. The managerial implementations of our work is that credit card issues can apply the proposed methodology to effectively identify fraudulent transaction to protect consumers' interests and reduce fraud losses and regulated cost. This is the flow diagram of the project. First, start, select dataset, clean dataset, split, train and test sets, classification and prediction. First one, start the project and then select the dataset and clean the dataset and split to the train set and the test set, and then using classification. Let's start project. First, home.java, right click, run file. This is the first page, fraud banking detection. Click the next button. This is the login page, username and password. If you are new user, then click sign up. This is a user registration page. Enter your username. Next, enter password. Next, enter email ID. Next, enter phone number. Next, enter the correct confirmation password and then click the submit button. They register successfully to the database, and then next, login page. Next, usernames and password. This is a show password. If you then show password, you click the show button. Then sign in. This is a this page is loaded the file. Click the browse button. We selected the directory in datasets. Credit card new.csv is our dataset. Then click the load button. Please loaded the file successfully. Click the next button, and this page is shown as a dataset full view. This time v1, v2, v3, v4 up to v10, amount and class 1. This is a dataset. This is a fraud and non-fraud dataset. Preprocess dataset. Click the preprocess button. Data preprocessing in a machine learning refers to the techniques of preparing, cleaning and organizing make the raw data to make it suitable for the building trained to the machine learning models. This is a preprocess successfully. Then click the next button. Click the split button. This shown is a train dataset. This shown is a test dataset. Train dataset is used for the used to biggest size of the subset of the original dataset, which is used to train or fit a machine language model. This is a test dataset is used to the another subset subset of original dataset, which is independent of the training datasets. Data are split to the test and training and successfully. Click next this page using SVM algorithm. This button is shown as a true positive, true negative, false positive, false negative, accuracy, precision, recall and specify. Next, random forest algorithm is generated the true positive, true negative, false negative, accuracy, precision, recall and specify. This is graphical representation of comparison graph between the existing and proposed system. If a random foresting is a existing system, SVM is a proposed system. This is the accuracy.